imagine, like most people, over the years my view on risk has adapted and changed. But one thing holds firm. I believe risk itself is embedded in the ball of uncertainty that we as human beings feel in our tummies every time we make an important decision. It's human value, and all our strengths and our fragilities are embedded in the fundamental process of assessing its nature. So our appetite for risk may differ, even our perception, but risk itself is always there. This makes risk a part of everyday life. We either embrace it, chase it, or fear it. The choice is ours. Either way, we have to manage it. So personally, I choose to embrace it. And I work with organisations who want to tackle risk head-on with open eyes and a clear vision. So I'm Carla Crocombe, founder and managing director of Safety Rocks Limited, and we've been rocking safety since 2015.